Okay guys, just as an outtake, not part of the initial test, what I've decided to do, because the differences between the two products in this particular test are quite noticeable, I'm actually going to use the P12 Extra with the rupees cutting foam as suggested as the best accompaniment for the Ultimate 6 SONAX products. I'm going to do exactly the same scenario, apply a spoonful of product, measure the product out, similar running times, but I'm going to assess this after a minute just to actually accelerate things, just to see what results we get. So let's do it. In fact, I'm going to run the same process, reapply, we'll look at the surface now, reapply another small amount of product and then run for the full 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe this surface down just to see what results we got initially with this particular pad and product combination. Slightly overrun it by 3 seconds. Damn. Okay, so this is the P12 Extra with the Roops coarse cutting foam. So let's have a look, see what results we've got. So 2 applications are exactly the same as the previous process against the SONAX product, although we haven't degreased surface areas at the moment, other than these 2 which I'm wiping now, because there's quite a lot of splatter with that particular foam and product combination. It's quite open cell. And I'm going to degrease everything again. So now we're going to go from left to right. The furthest left-hand side is the P12 Extra with the rupees cutting foam. Then we move into the P12 Extra with its dedicated P15 white foam, and then we move on to the SONAX Ultimate Cut with the rupees cutting foam. So it was a good test just to see if it was a product or whether it was a foam actually influencing the results. And as you can see with the P12, it's actually worked with both foams. So don't tell anybody, it's top secret. So this little exercise was to, well, it's kind of we put it together just to look at, because the differences initially with the SONAX product were very noticeable. We then decided to look at the rupees foam. Again, the foam was recommended by a US customer as being the better combination for that particular SONAX product. So we've decided to use the rupees cutting foam with the P12 extra just to see if it was actually the foam that was influencing the results, or in actual fact if it was the product. So as you can see, initially when you do the Ask the Professor scenarios, sometimes we actually don't show you what's actually going off behind the scenes. So to put everything on a level playing field, and we're looking at systems against systems, sometimes when we also look at foams as well, primarily because foam is a big influencer. The ancillaries that go with the products are big influences as to what level of scratch removal and finish you can attain with a product. So as you can see in this instance, the P12 Extras performed equally as well with both foams. I think the P15 white foam has actually done a slightly better job in my eyes. But again, don't forget I'm wearing those rose-coloured spectacles. So looking at the results, both scenarios are actually a little bit better than the previous test carried out with the SONAX product. So in this instance, I can't comment about somebody's product. It's not a bad product. It probably works probably 90% of the time for the people that are using it. This is a test scenario. It's an Ace paint. It's been flatted and polished. I can't really say anything other than the fact that the product is measured out. It's a timed event, same machine speeds, and then all that surface area is actually degreased with a very, very good and efficient panel degreaser, which is the zirconite panel prep. So if you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've got any comments, put them in the comment section below. But failing that, we'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.